you. We are talking about prompts. We are talking about why your prompts are keep failing and how to get efficient answers to your queries. Welcome to the Late Night AI Show. I'm your host, Mr. Samuel Jerome, and today we have Mr. Saarunathan to talk about prompt engineering. So, Mr. Saarunathan, why don't you introduce yourself to our lovely audience over here?
It's a great intro for me, first and foremost. Nice meeting you, Sam, and welcoming for your podcast. And myself, Saarunathan. I'm pursuing my master's degree in robotics and AI. I do work as a postgraduate experience officer in my same University of Lincoln and in UK. And I do have a past experience of being a co-founder in an AI startup in India.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So, my first question for you is that many people still a good number of people, right? They do not know what the word prompt even means. So, in your own words, what is actually a prompt, and what is prompt engineer? Let's debug that to our audience.
Let me make it very simple to understand. Prompt is like a magical spell between you and AI. Whether you, if you say a magical spell wrongly, it's going to result in a wrong way. It's like that. If you're gonna give a wrong, if you're gonna spell a wrong spell, if you'll be expecting a wrong result. The prompt is also like that. And more, if you want to go into more technically, prompt is a set of instructions which you want, if you which you give to AI or any LLMs to do a particular task. That is a prompt is.
Nice.
And moreover, the prompts are should be more precise, and everyone used to say like more precise, more concentrated on your task. It should not be like that. It should
Mhm.
be planned accordingly. The prompt should be planned accordingly. I think most of the people lacking in that, and they suddenly go into ChatGPT or any other chatbots and they type like, "This is what I need. Give me the
Mhm.
results." And yeah, started giving random stuff, which
True.
is which is like out of the box, which you
Mm.
don't expect as your results. Yeah.
Mm. Okay. So that brings me to the next question. Actually, it's really interesting. This question followed up to the other because
Okay.
a very funny incident that happened is like one person, like my pastor in my church,
Okay.
he saw one of my friends' prompt to generate an image. Okay,
Okay.
and it was well. I don't know what he did. Maybe it was well instructed,
Okay.
and the image was much better in his phone compared to what he did in his phone. It's
Okay.
just both the goals are same. They're generating the
Okay.
same type of image, but
Okay.
this boy's output is much better than my pastor's output. Why is that? Is it
Um,
because the prompt's construction, how you make the prompt detailing is mattered, or what is it?
Prompts should be detailed.
Okay.
Yeah. While it comes to generating image, the prompting style totally different. And why? Yeah, this is what I say. Like, if you're prompting for a certain output, it should be more constructive and it should be planned accordingly. Like, if you're generating an image, you should give an image ratio. This is what the image ratio is going to be look like, and what and all stuff it should be. The image should have. I can give a like a summary. First, if you're generating an image, for example, if you're generating
Okay.
an image, first visualize the image in your brain, like what it's going to
Okay.
be, and write it in your own words in your book.
Okay.
Afterwards, start
Mhm.
open any LLMs which you like
Okay.
as per your wish, and first set the mood for that particular chat. Like,
Hmm.
hi, this is like talk like your friend or your wife or anyone. Like consider your ChatGPT as anyone. Like if you are coding, if you are doing, if you're studying coding, let's just take it like that. If you're studying coding, give the chat like. hey buddy, you're going to be my Python coding buddy for this session. Give him a mood. Yeah, yeah, like give that particular chat a mood to
Hmm.
have a conversation with you. More often, like AI performs well when you talk like a human than giving
Hmm.
it like treating it as a slave. Talk like a human, treat like a human, give instruction like a human.
Perfect.
It will give a good results.
Hmm.
That's sure.
Good.
More conversational, like your prompt should be more into a conversational phase.
Hmm. So
Yeah.
basically, you're encouraging everybody to develop a relationship with AI.
Seriously, yes. Partially, yes. That's the truth.
Partially.
Yeah. Partially true. Yeah. That's it. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's it. Because if you consider him as him as or your coding buddy, if in case like you are my Python coding buddy for this session, he thinks like a buddy and clears your idea. Like
Hmm.
if you rather than ask him like give me a Python code to develop anything, it's going to
Hmm.
give a wide range of options. Instead of that, if you're giving your prompt like hey there, like start with like this, hey there, you're going to be my coding buddy, and here we are going to use a Python language to develop this particular stuff. Simple.
Hmm.
It will as a mindset. Like everyone used to have it thinks like human. Like before we are going to a space, we do have a mindset. We will be preparing a mindset like right like that. It acts like that. Even
Hmm.
and the magic happens here. The entire mood of the particular chat will feel like your coding buddy. He will that particular chat will like teach you how to code, and if there is any mistake or improvisation can be done, it also like encourages you. Or if there is any mistakes, it accepts that instead of you treating AI or the particular chat stuff as a slave. Don't treat your AI like a slave. Don't ever like command it. Treat like a friend.
Hashtag AI
Otherwise,
rights.
yeah,
Hashtag.
like that, like that, yeah, like that. Otherwise, you may expect soon, if you're like treating AI as a slave, soon we may expect Terminator.
Terminator. Oh, that's pretty scary.
Yeah.
Scary stuff. So,
Yeah.
so my next question for you is that you talked about how to explaining is very important while
Okay.
giving a prompt to an AI. Detailing is very important.
Yes.
But my question is that is there a particular formula, like
Hmm.
a certain type of formula which says like, hey, first talk about the environment, talk
Okay.
about the context, and then talk about the steps, or is there a certain deterministic formula for it, or is it like free flow, like uh, what do you think on this?
Yeah. Actually, there is a formula I can like suggest to everyone. There's a generic
Oh, okay,
formula.
perfect.
Yeah, yeah. You can apply it for, but you should not apply the same prompt. Like copy pasting the same prompt, it won't work.
Oh,
The
okay.
answer will
Uh-huh.
be different. Eventually, the answer will be different. But
Okay.
you can follow the same style of prompt.
Hmm.
Like that.
Okay.
You can and the templates start like this. As I said, you are my coding buddy. If you are doing a
Okay.
coding or if you are doing a research,
Mm-hmm.
start with like, hey, you are gonna be my research
Mm-hmm.
student. If you want it as a student, like if you need to treat that particular stuff or chat, act like a student, or you need to act like your mentor for your research.
Mm-hmm.
Give it a mood starting, give it a mood, and also say that you are so professional in research or you're so professional in coding and as experience of the how much ever you detail you're giving to the prompt particular chat, it acts like that, giving like think like a student in this while coding or while writing an essay. It thinks like a student. Yeah. If
Mm-hmm.
otherwise think like a literature writer or like that means it acts like that. That is the first ever step. Give or set a mood for that particular chat.
Mm. Perfect.
Secondary, here comes the second part. Like
Okay.
you have given a mood for or created a mood template for that particular
Yeah.
chat. Next step is going to be like the task. Now you want to say a task like, yeah, I'm going. If you are doing a research, say like,
Mm-hmm.
we are going to handle a research on robot vision, the particular perfect bullseye task name.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm going to, or don't say otherwise. I'm going to do a research on AI in vision language model like that, or computer vision like that. It should be like that. It should be more precise to set, or that it's like a target, so that the thinking capacity or the thinking space will be like it won't be wide. It comes short, so it can
Mm-hmm.
give it's for perfect results. Next,
Mm-hmm.
and next step, the third step is like now say a task, the perfect task which is assigned to you, whether it's for coding or image generating, like I want to generate or else generate me a code or generate me a plan for code,
Mm-hmm.
anything like that for this project, and give the project brief. Ask that AI, if you're having a project brief, give that full brief and ask it to learn first, analyze it first.
Mm-hmm.
Analyzation is more important. Don't ask it to start the action, like act to that particular brief or act to that particular task like that. Ask it to analyze and study that particular task. Then you can start with the project. It
Mm-hmm.
works absolutely fine and perfect. Actually, this template works with everything.
Mm-hmm. Awesome.
I'm sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Eventually,
I think
initially it helped me a lot.
okay,
Yeah.
perfect. I think our audience got a gold mine in getting this
Yeah.
template for using their prompts. So that's
Seriously.
all. That's amazing, by the way.
Yeah.
And my next question for you is that for a newcomer who doesn't know anything about AI,
Okay.
how do they start? Where do they start learning on how to create efficient prompts? Where is the starting point?
Uh, Starting point. It's same like talking with humans. Like if you are talking to a new person in an environment, how do you start?
Hi, how are you?
The same. Start with like that. Start like that. Serious. I'm
Okay.
serious. If you want to new or like know about a person or a system, first get into the system. Don't
Hmm.
try to understand and analyze and like frustrate your brain. Just go into it and have a like more of it, like have a chat. Like if you want to know about a person, you need to have a chat with them, right?
Hmm. That's
The
true.
same. Have a chat with ChatGPT. Give the chat a name.
Oh,
Even
okay.
I have given a name for my chats. Like you're going to yeah, after I'm going to call you Sarah. Whenever I call a Sarah, it says a Sarah like that. So it's
Wow.
like treat him like a friend. The same.
So you have
And
your own
eventually,
personal AI girlfriend.
it's not a buddy. It's not a girlfriend. She's my PA.
No, wow. You
Yeah,
know what? Now I'm starting to think that PA jobs could be impacted by AI as well. Now I'm starting to think that.
yeah. No, but I already implemented in my life. So yeah.
Very true. Hey,
Yeah,
now at least we know that you won't be terminated when the terminators rise because
yeah,
you
yeah,
treat
yeah.
AI really well.
As a
So,
friend, yeah, yeah, yeah. We should
yeah,
treat everyone equally.
perfect.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, for students who want to enter into AI, should
Okay.
they focus more on coding part or the mathematics projects or research papers or prompting? Which
Yeah,
should they?
this part is more we need to talk about. There's a lot to talk about. If you
Okay.
want, my best advice to students who use AI for this projects or anything, actually anything, I suggest them to like you need to visualize what the output is in your brain. That's more important. Uh, in every AI can write code, but you should have that particular knowledge that that code works or that code is correct or not. You should be
Yes.
good enough to evaluate that. So
Very
for
true.
evaluating that, you need to have a good like basic, even like basic understanding of that particular task.
Hmm.
You should have a idea of, then only you can like before starting. eventually like this, there may be a group of 10 people of a team, and there's a leader who has that particular vision and who guide, and that particular leader is the one who guiding the entire team, right,
Yeah,
towards the
true.
goal. The same,
Mm-hmm.
AI is the team and you are the leader, and you need to guide it towards the thing, and it
Mm-hmm.
can work efficiently if you guide well.
Mm, true.
Yeah, like that. So all the students should have the knowledge of math, the prompting style, and each and every person prompting style differs from everything. There is nothing to have a particular. Don't want to stick on to a particular template. You can explore a lot with a lot of templates.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm.
the template which I suggested you is a like you can use it for a like a start in your beginning stage. Then if you
Mm.
get used to that particular LLMs, you will get a knowledge that, okay, how I can approach that. You will get
Mm.
them.
Mm.
That's simple. So you should need all the knowledge before you starting the task. Or yeah, math is important, coding is important,
Mm-hmm.
and but regarding reading the research papers, it's not a older period that we need to. We are not in a still period where we need to read the research papers. It's not necessary. Rather, put that particular research papers, like ask the AI to search the research papers, ask
Okay.
it, upload the research papers in AI. This is how I work. Ask it to analyze, and because all the research papers won't be more connected to our task. But anyway, we
Mm-hmm.
need to give some kind of research papers to produce reports, right? So
True.
ask it to like which particular place or which particular stuff which is related to my task, or which thing is the common thing which is regarding that research papers and the task which I'm working on. That is how the smart people thinks to work efficiently. This is where you can use the AI. Yeah.
Perfect.
Even in math.
Perfect.
Yeah. Everywhere
Perfect. Then.
you can apply it anywhere. It depends on you.
Hmm. That's very
Yeah.
true. Very true.
Yeah.
Now, time for the next round. And the next round is rapid fire round. Now,
Oh.
in this round, I'll be saying, giving you two options, or we'll be asking you one word questions. So you just
Okay. Okay.
answer it accordingly. My first
Sure. Sure.
question: zero shot prompting or few shot prompting?
Full shot bro.
Chain of thought or direct answer?
Chain of thoughts.
Zero temperature or temperature one?
It depends.
Depends. Okay, fair enough. Role playing the AI or keeping it plain?
Role playing AI to set the mood and make the
Mhm.
workspace more interactive. Yeah. Otherwise, if it should not be a one-way conversation. Workspace, you should be have a lot of conversational. It makes the workspace
Hmm.
more engaging, right? You should
Very fair.
enjoy. You can, if you have a friend in your workspace, the
Mhm.
workspace more feels more happy enough to work. You can
Uh-huh.
generate a lot of ideas. Yeah,
True. Asking the AI to think step by step or go wild.
step by step.
Use examples or no examples.
It depends. If you're working with
Depends.
research or brainstorming thing, you need examples.
Hmm. True. What is the most annoying thing about LLMs?
The memory and the tokens.
One project every AI student should build.
Prediction stuff like predicting the climate, weather. They can learn some basic stuff in AI, like training LLM, training the model and predicting some stuff like the
Hmm.
climate and all. It can be more engaging, and yeah, it will be more engaging. And it's a easy project as well.
Yes. One word to describe the
Okay.
future of AI.
Rather than treating it as a slave, become a friend.
Perfect. Emojis in prompt, yes or no?
No.
No? Okay.
No, no,
I
no,
use
no.
emojis by the way. I love doing personally.
Is it so? Why? Why like that? Any
Because
personal
to show,
opinion?
just like you, I mean, to show emotions, to show
Okay.
appreciation.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
So yeah, that's one.
Okay, good,
Last
good.
question. Chat GPT or Claude?
Ah, okay. It's a bit controversial thing. Yeah, initially I'm more used to with ChatGPT. Everyone are
Okay.
like from ChatGPT, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Initially,
Hey,
they
no
everyone start with
judgments here,
ChatGPT.
by the way. No judgments.
No, 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 no. But we also from speak from the technological side, the improvisation which they Claude done nowadays, the recent days.
Mm.
I can suggest if you're going with coding or math, any technical stuff, any engineering stuff,
Okay.
you can keep your hands on and with cloth. You can go with cloth.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you're working in a creative field, like writing a script or anything like that, you're good with ChatGPT. Yeah.
Perfect. All right. All right. This brings
Uh,
towards the end of our show. So,
okay.
any few advice any last advice that you would like to give to our audience, students, to whoever watches our episode?
I like to give to students as well.
Okay.
Yeah. I already said this in the podcast, but I want to address this. Before starting a task in AI, don't expect AI to do the full task.
Hmm.
You can use it as your assistant rather than using it to generate your full assignment or homework. Learning should be there. Yeah, that's my point. Learning should be there.
Perfect.
Don't make the AI learn. It already learned. You learn, you start learning. That's what I think. Yeah.
All right. So we
Yeah.
we wrap up the episode one of the late night AI show with a note like AI already has learned the
Yeah.
stuff. Time for you guys to learn. So if
Yes.
you have learned, so to all the audience, if you have learned something today, use these prompt engineering tips that Mr. Saarunathan has said. Try them out and use them to comment something down in the below and tell us what worked for you and what doesn't. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment and stay tuned for more late night conversations on AI tech and creativity. Until then, have a really good night.
Subscribe to the Late Night AI Show.